I love most about coming in every day is the fact that no 2 days are ever the same. It's always something different, a new challenge, something new going on in the office, possibly new agents showing up. It's just a fun place to work.
What I like about coming into work every day is that this office has energy. I can come in here, it doesn't matter if it's Monday at 8 a.m. or Friday at 7 p.m. If there's somebody here, you know that something good is always going on around in this office. I was one of the few, I think I'm the only one, I came right out of school, right out of Honduras College to RE/MAX. I wasn't coming from another agency or anything like that. How it's evolved, it's just been amazing. The training here has been great. It continues to evolve. The trainers that they have now here are just absolutely, again, phenomenal. I keep using that word, but it's a fact. I mean, they really are.
Well, John and Kathy have a knack for throwing some pretty fun parties. They, again, try to nurture that camaraderie that we have throughout the course of the day, and they try to bring in the offices and bring in some of the agents that we have in the outlying areas that represent RE/MAX Preferred, but we don't often see those people.
Sometimes we're so busy all day long, we don't get an opportunity to interact with each other the way we can, where we can benefit from it. Finding out about each other's listings, finding out about what each other are doing to promote themselves, or things that have worked and things that didn't work, and you know, even sometimes just to hear the story about a deal that went down or didn't go down. You know, my expectation of what will happen with RE/MAX in the future is based on the history of the 20 years that it's been here. I think that John and Kathy know that their business is not about the business of their brokerage. It's about the success of each individual person, not the success of the brokerage. Because if the people are successful, the brokerage is successful.
They just treat you like you're part of their family, and it's a great, 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 great place to work.